y'all, it's your girl Nova. If you're a return subscriber, hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome to the Nova gang. As y'all can tell from the title of this video, I'm coming to you with another hair review. And this one is by Jashou hair. And honey, when I tell you that this wig looks good, child, it making me look, where am I about to go tonight? But if you are interested in seeing how I installed and styled this wig, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for the video. And if you are someone that loves videos like this, make sure that you go tune into my wig diary series. It will be somewhere on the top of the screen. But I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get straight into it. So see y'all in the video. Peace.
From the planet, I'll fly away from my heart and from my damage. I'll fly away from everything that causes me to feel my body and my soul in panic. Cause I can't help it if I can't see myself clearly like everybody else. 20/20 vision, but I feel like my 20/20 vision is dismissed when I close my eyes and I drink, cause I'm stuck in these four walls and everything feels like my body isn't in motion, but my mind is free. My mind is free, my mind is free. It floats up into the sky. It floats up into the sky. I'll hold myself in tonight. I'll hold myself in tonight. Into these four walls, like I said before, I can't feel my body. I can't feel my body no more, so I'll try to ignore. Cause my mind is so crazy that I imagine everything that has happened to me lately. And I will cry, will try, cause I hope for another day, so I can fly away. And I wish and pray for someone like me. Hope for another day, so I can fly away. And I wish and pray for someone like me. I can't even lie, this drug made me a butterfly, and I don't know where to go without your guidance. I suppose that I'm lost in the world, that I'm lost in their eyes, that I only see the truth in me and not through their lies. So I hope for another day, so I can fly away. And I wish and pray for someone like me. Hope for another day, so I can fly away. And I wish and pray for someone like me. For someone like me.
Alright y'all, so this is the wig. Super duper cute, y'all. Super duper cute. This side is a little higher. Trust me, I done tried to figure this out. As you can tell from the video, I was just trying to style this wig the best way possible. I know this is not going to be the complete style because I had a style in mind. I'm really trying to get this to look like this side. Y'all know that every time I go through this particular style, I always deal with this same situation every single time. Like, it just doesn't want to cooperate, but that's besides the point. Just tuck it behind the ear. It's called a day. Per usual, y'all know how I do my videos. Go ahead and pull up the details of this wig on the side of the screen. So grab your attention over there, please. All right, so this wig is by Jashou. I think it's Jashou hair. This is their lace frontal human hair straight wig, 13x4 HD transparent lace. It does come with baby hairs, but I did have to pluck it and style it the best way I can possible. I tried, y'all. I'm not really big on baby hairs. Like, anybody that knows me, in my pictures, I literally will cover up this part so my baby hairs won't show because I just don't have time. But this particular video, I wanted to do some baby hairs, so I tried. This wig is 150% density, so it's pretty thick. This is Brazilian virgin human hair, so you can bleach this wig, color this wig, or whatever you prefer. It does come pre-plucked. Again, like I said, I did have to pluck it just a little bit more. It wasn't bad. Like, it was a good pre-plucked wig, but knowing me, I like mine to be kind of thin, but not too much. As y'all can see, it's still kind of thick, but it doesn't really bother me. So the wig was bleached already. The knots were already bleached, but I did still go in with my makeup. So I feel like I'm gonna need to bleach it again. I don't have any bleach, so y'all, I'm really just trying my best. I'm gonna be getting some bleach soon. I'm just gonna have to order some because I don't like going outside. So yeah, this wig is 20 inches and the cost of this wig is $108.88. So this is definitely a good investment for the quality of this wig and no shedding. No shedding. So it's a really good wig, literally no shedding. So boom, that's a plus. This wig does come very fast. Like, if you order it, just say for instance today, it's gonna get you tomorrow. Just depends on where you are located. Let me see if there's any other details on this wig. Alright, so this wig, the cap size is 22.5 inches. It does have 4 combs and adjustable elastic straps. This is Swiss lace. I prefer Swiss lace over any other lace, or just regular AWD lace. Let's see. It can be straightened and curled, as y'all can tell. Boom, boom. So in the package, it comes with wig cap, and lovely gifts. I didn't get any lovely gifts, but it's okay. Jashou, y'all need to send me my lovely gifts, because I didn't get no lovely gifts. But yeah, 13 by 4, so it's really good. It's ear to ear, so you can definitely style it, you know, any way possible. But I think that's all that I have for this wig. Yeah, when I opened up the packaging, like, it just came in like regular bag. It wasn't anything really too much. I will say that's probably the only thing I'm used to, like boxes with my wigs, so I can like do a cute little box video. But Jashou, it's okay, we're gonna work together again. I have to pay for this wig, so that's the lovely gift within itself, so I'm not tripping. But yeah, so this up close again so y'all can see. The color is natural, so I am gonna be bleaching the knots on this wig, so by the time I wear this wig again, it'll really give what lace. Like right now you can kind of see the lace. Like if I come in close, you can see the lace. I'm not the type of person to be like, oh, I'm not gonna get a camera and find laces on it. Girl, it's a wig. Like, but yeah, y'all, that's all I have for this particular video. If you are someone that wants to see videos like this, make sure that you go tune into my wig diary series. It'll be somewhere on the top of the screen. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and chime your girls in and be like, yeah, Nova knows be doing her hair and stuff or whatever. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can join the Nova gangs. And make sure that you turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a video. What else am I missing? Oh, make sure you follow me on all my social media outlets down below so you can be able to know when I'm working with new companies, or just to see the end results and the pictures that I take when I get done styling these wigs. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.